video I will show you home office design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. In this video you will see beautiful and creative home office idea to boost your productivity. Create the perfect office space in the comfort of your own home. The optimal of home office environment has the perfect balance of comfort and the productivity. It allows you to work effectively and efficiently while enjoying all the benefit of being in your own home. Whether you work from home every day or just once in a while, a great home office setup is key to productivity. But what if your home simply isn't big enough for a whole separate office? A dedicated workplace will improve your creativity and help you focus. And the good news is you can create an office space in nearly any home. Home office under the stair, quick idea for every home. Millions love to work from home or at least intend to have workstation at home where they can work without being disturbed. One of the most creative and smart way of setting up a home office is choose the space under the stair, which often remain ignored. When creating an understair workstation, when you don't need too much of space for working and don't want to clog the area, it is best to choose a simple table for the space under the stair. However, since the design does not focus on the use of expensive furniture, must be some extra attention for the wall. This can be done with a striking finish for the walls and adding a few paintings on the side walls. You might require some space for storage, so look for desks that come with a few drawers. Choose a functional desk with drawers, even if it's a small floating desk. Make it with a drawer for various stuff. Place various cabinets around the desk. Attach some on the wall or build in some shelves which will look airier and lightweight than bulky cabinets. The cabinets can be even attached to the wall and form a ladder themselves. Get inspired and squeeze maximum from your space. Under stair design, there are exceptional workstations that are versatile and smartly enough for all kinds of spaces. Such workstations come with a desk, a few shelves, and some space via cabinets and drawers. Mobile cabinets can be excellent way to store a few books while there are ready-to-use products in the market. Think strategically about how to accommodate two desks. If two people will be working together at the same time, it's important to think about the best furniture arrangement. For collaboration, I like the idea of partners' desks. They can be very beautiful and just the sight of one makes me want to get to work. But if the work is individual, think about way to arrange furniture that promotes focus and concentration instant. Perhaps desks located in opposite corners or using a screen or curtains to create a zone of privacy and concentration. If the desk itself is going to be shared by members of a family, consider having a bookshelf that can be hold attractive storage basket or containers as way of storing incomplete work. When deciding about where to put your desk in your small home, take a look at rarely used corners and nooks. Whether in your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, search for some wall space that goes unused and tuck in a small desk. Depending on how much space you need for your work, a writing desk can look chic and elegant. If you have a walk-in closet in your house, consider giving up some of the space for your desk. Take a narrow hallway or consider transforming it into a home office. The added built-in storage helps keep this small space steady and crisp. When working in a small space, less is sometimes more. If you have a small den you have converted to an office, consider a simple color palette that will look crisp and elegant. Adding a few indoor plants is a great way to make your office space feel cozy and welcoming. Pick plants that are easy to care for you so you can focus more on your work and less on planting. Natural light is a key when it comes to a productive work environment, so try to position your desk near a window or in a room that gets a lot of natural light. If finding a bright space is not possible, consider investing in a natural light therapy lamp to brighten up your space. Work with the architecture of your home. Go with the natural lines of your space and find a nook or corner that's perfect for a small area. Hang a few shelves for extra storage and focus on a great lighting. A small office space can instantly put together and chic with a few purposeful accessories. Decorate your office space with vintage piece as an easy way to give a small room a whole lot of personality. Working at home can mean sitting for a long period of time, so outfitting your work from home setup with a sitting and standing desk is a great way to encourage yourself to move around more during the day. Small offices often lack room for storage, so think vertically. Consider adding a pegboard or a wall shelving unit to your store your must-haves and display a few knickknacks on a wall. A rarely used closet can easily be transformed into a dedicated office space. Measure a piece of wood to fit the closet perfectly and remove the door to create a compact office anywhere in your home. When you have a small office, keeping clutter to minimum is essential. Keeping things mess free will help your small office space feel larger and more open. If you are looking for an easy way to make a corner of your room feel like a dedicated office, consider using removable wallpaper. A wallpaper can easily delineate a room and create a specific spaces to give your office a purposeful feeling. The best work from home spaces are not only bright and welcoming, but they are incredibly functional as well. Consider what you enjoy about your office space or your favorite high end corporate campus and try to recreate that at your home. If you have a few rooms in your home you are considering turning into a home office, pick the one with the most natural light. Natural light not only makes a room feel bigger and more open, but it can aid in productivity. I hope this video will help you to choose the work from home office ideas for your space. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.